In the future, God will destroy everything in the universe, and God will create the new heaven and the new earth. Sabi sa Bible sa 2 Peter 3:12, na ating hinihintay at pinakananasa ang pagdating ng kaarawan ng Diyos. Dahil dito'y ang sangkalangitan na nagniningas ay mapupugnaw at ang mga bagay sa langit ay matutunaw sa matinding init. And after that, God will create the new heavens and the new earth, sapagkat narito, ako'y lumilikha ng mga bagong langit at ang bagong lupa, at ng mga dating bagay ay hindi maaalala o mapapasa isip man. Ito po ang sinabi ni John sa Revelation chapter 21 verse 1, at nakita ko ang isang bagong langit at ang isang bagong lupa, sapagkat ang unang langit at ang unang lupa ay naparam at ang dagat ay wala na. This is a wonderful place. Ang new heavens at new earth, hindi pa natin ito nakikita. Ngunit kung ikaw ay anak ng Diyos, you will see all these things because you will live in this place for all eternity. At ito po ang blessing, mga kapatid. Sabi sa Bible, at hindi na magkakaroon pa ng sumpa sa new heaven at saka sa new earth. Kasi po, God will torment, God will punish Satan in hell forever and ever. And the demons also will be tormented forever and ever. Death is in hell. At saka wala na mag-cause us to sin. This will be a perfect place, better than the place that we have now. Wala ng storms, wala ng pollution, wala ng natural destruction, wala ng thorns, desert, famine, diseases, viruses are no longer in the new heaven and new earth, for the former things are passed away. And God will give us blessings unimaginable, comfort, happiness, peace, joy beyond our wildest dreams. Hindi pa natin ito nararanasan, ngunit God will give us this all sa future. Kasi anak niya tayo. And there is no night there. And there shall be no night there. They need no candle, neither light of the sun. For the Lord God giveth them light, and they shall reign forever and ever. Hindi na tayo matatakot pa sa new heaven and new earth kasi wala nang gabi. Wala nang darkness. All will be light. Kasi God is living with us in that place. And no more sea sa new heaven at saka sa new earth. Literally, wala na talagang sea. Because we do not need that much water para mag-water sa earth. We do not need that thick cloud to water the earth. Kasi everything is in good condition. Wala nang sea. You know what? The sea in the book of Revelation is a symbolic of evil. Example, the Mediterranean Sea separated the fellowship of John and the 7 churches. The 7 churches wanted to go to John to visit him, but they could not do it because of the sea. Pero sa new heaven at saka sa new earth, wala na po ang lahat ng yan. And I saw the holy city, New Jerusalem, coming down out of heaven from God, prepared as a bride adorned for her husband. Nakita rin ni John ang New Jerusalem. Ano ba ang New Jerusalem? This is an actual city. This is the heaven's capital. And this is called holy, without mistake, separate city. Perfect city. This is unlike from the city of Kibuloy, the New Jerusalem of Kibuloy in Davao, na imperfect. Si Kibuloy nga, maraming cases. Hindi siya holy. Hindi holy. Hindi siya holy. Ang kanyang place ay hindi rin holy because of the sins na nandyan sa lugar na yan. But this authentic New Jerusalem is holy. Perfect talaga ito. Walang kasalanan. At saka, because this is city, this will be a place of close relationships. Marami tayong friends. Everyone is our friend. May kasalan ba doon kasi relationships? No, kasi sabi sa Bible sa Matthew chapter 22 verse 30, at the resurrection people will neither marry nor be given in marriage. They will be like the angels in heaven, na walang kasalan. So, no marriage in heaven, all will be our friends. And because this is city, this is a place of activities, responsibilities, unity, socialization, communion, and cooperation. And we will live together in perfect harmony in that place. Hindi katulad ngayon, that we live in colors. May red, may pink, may green, may blue, may white, may black. But in heaven, all will be white. White as snow. Now, ano ba ang forma ng New Jerusalem? Sabi sa Bible, the city lies in a square, its length being the same as its width, and he measured the city with his reed, 12,000 stadia, or about 1,500 miles, or 2,414 kilometers. Its length and width and height are the same. Now, gaano ba kalaki ang New Jerusalem? We will make a comparison between the New Jerusalem at saka sa Philippines. Now, ang Philippines po, sabi ng Britannica, is 1,850 kilometers. Yan po ang haba from the north to the south of the Philippines. Mas malaki pala ang New Jerusalem kasi ang New Jerusalem is 2,414 kilometers. Ang haba. At saka ang length, at saka ang width, at saka ang height. Taliwas po ito sa sinabi ni Kiboloy sa New Jerusalem daw niya sa Davao. Kasi napakaliit po ng kanyang New Jerusalem sa Davao. It is only in Davao. At saka kung titingnan mo ang kanyang mga materyales sa paggawa ng kanyang New Jerusalem, lupa. Lupa lang, mga semento, mga bakal lang. Kung titingnan nyo ang totoong New Jerusalem, ito po. Revelation chapter 21 verse 18, foundations are precious stones, and the building of the wall of it was jasper, and the city was pure gold like unto clear glass, and the foundations of the wall of the city were garnished with all manner of precious stones, jasper, sapphire, chalcedony, emerald, sardonyx, sardius, chrysolite, beryl, topaz, chrysoprasus, jacinth, amethyst. Yan po ang foundation at saka ang gates, and the 12 gates were 12 pearls. Every several gate was of 1 pearl, and the street of the city was pure gold as it were transparent glass. Marami pong ginto. Ang city po ay lahat ginto. Clear as crystal. Then Revelation 22 verse 1 and 2, then the angel showed me the river of the water of life, bright as crystal, flowing from the throne of God and of the Lamb, through the middle of the street of the city. Also on either side of the river, the tree of life with its 12 kinds of fruit, yielding its fruit each month. The leaves of the tree were for the healing of the nations. Yan po ang forma ng heaven nating pupuntahan. Kaya huwag kang matakot mamatay, mga kapatid.